In the world of high-performance American sports cars, Chevrolet's Corvette lineup is more exciting than ever. The new C8 Z06, the upcoming ZR1, and the ultra-secretive ZR1X are all grabbing headlines with exotic powertrains and track-ready capabilities, rivaling supercars from Europe while remaining more affordable. But ask any true enthusiast what they'd want to see when they roll up their garage door on a calm Sunday morning, and many would pick a vintage Stingray over a brand new C8. The only catch? Classic Corvettes may look stunning, but they often drive like relics of the past. Sloppy steering, buzzy cruising, and limited braking and suspension tech come with the territory, unless, of course, you take the Restomod route. Enter this jaw-dropping 1967 Corvette C2 Restomod, a custom build that takes the soul of a classic and injects it with 6 decades worth of technological evolution. This isn't just an old Vette with some modern bits bolted on. It's a thoughtfully reimagined machine that blends iconic 1960s styling with 21st century performance and comfort. Originally born as a 1967 Stingray coupe, this car still maintains its instantly recognizable silhouette. But take a closer look, and you'll spot wide-body front and rear fenders, a Stinger-style hood, a design reserved for the legendary 427 big block cars, and shaved bodywork that removes the original bumpers for a cleaner, more aggressive stance. Under the hood, the transformation gets even more serious. Gone is the original engine, replaced with a 432 cubic inch V8 with forged internals, aluminum heads, and modern electronic fuel injection. This power plant is paired with a 5-speed manual transmission, providing better highway manners and more flexible gear ratios than the old 4-speed units ever could. Handling and stopping power haven't been left behind either. A full Global West suspension setup with adjustable shocks has been fitted to the chassis, and Willwood disc brakes on all 4 corners ensure modern stopping capabilities. The addition of fast ratio power steering makes maneuvering the car a joy, not a chore. Step inside, and you'll be greeted by a perfect fusion of vintage charm and modern comfort. The quilted leather sports seats offer far more support than anything you'd find in a stock 1967 Stingray, while a vintage air climate control system keeps the cabin comfortable in all conditions. Subtle updates throughout the cabin bring the car into the modern era without losing its retro soul. Sure, if you line this Restomod up against a brand new ZR1 or ZR1X, it won't keep up on the track, but that's not the point. This custom Corvette is about feel, character, and the thrill of driving something that connects you to the golden age of American performance, while offering a smoother, more confident ride. For purists who demand originality, this may not be the ideal garage queen, but for enthusiasts who want a classic body with modern moves, this is the perfect answer. It's a car you could drive every weekend through winding back roads, to cars and coffee, or just for the joy of listening to that big V8 roar, and never get bored. In a world of digital dashboards and active aero, this Restomod Corvette reminds us of the power of analog driving, with just the right amount of modern enhancement. And yes, it might just make you think twice about that brand new C8.